All right, YouTubers, it's cooking time. These are those little bitty potatoes. I'm just gonna cut them in half and make a little foil pack. It's a little windy off Lake Michigan today. I'm about to get irritated. Normally I would do onions and all kinds of stuff, but I'm tired and not that hungry, so this is all it's gonna be. Well, maybe I'll cheat a little bit. It's not how people like to do butter. Messing up the side of your pan. It's gonna be buttery. As you know, this is usually no frills. I'm gonna put the same stuff that's going on the other thing. I'm gonna put some Creole seasoning on them. So the main flavor profile is gonna be Creole. Whoa, that's a lot. That's how you do that. If you think it's too much, put a little bit more. Did I mention I was tired, YouTubers? I'm tired. Okay. Foil pack. Non-cooperative foil pack. Some of the little ones try to get out. Don't let them. Alright, gonna put the foil pack on. Lake Michigan's a little windy today, peoples. Alright, fancy, huh? Alright, I'm gonna put this on top. Let it cook. That's it. That's all it's gonna be. Put potatoes. It's good smoke coming out. It's a really good place to cook. Right there, Lake Michigan. Huh? Kind of like the old Batman show, everything's slanted. I flipped too soon, and that's what I'm doing. Did I mention I flip too much? I do flip too much, but I'm gonna flip the potatoes again. I don't want them to burn. Some people like burnt edges. I try not to. Many people are of the philosophy that you don't flip a lot. And I know that's probably the technical good way to do it. If you've watched before, I flip. I like things cooked evenly. I don't know. GoPro stuff. Now, I've said this before. Some people would think these might be overcooked, but I kind of like pork a little bit more done. So I'm going to eat this one now. I'm going to flip the potatoes over. Give them a couple more minutes. I think it's still juicy. Taste test. Don't like fat. Cut the fat off. Mmm. That's quick, easy, and good. I'm gonna tell you that, you can see it, that came out almost perfect. Nice and juicy. You can see the juice on the plate, but it's fully cooked and everything. Bobby Flay, go flay yourself. All right, I'm gonna try to open these potatoes up a little bit. You gotta be careful, you'll burn your hands. Use your fork. Oh, they're sizzling in all that butter I used. Look at there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take some of that out of there. Right off the grill. I'm gonna burn my face. Oh, they're good. Turn the grill off. All right, I'll get some on the plate. Go. Now it's a little cooler. There's a potato. Those little bitty potatoes. Like I said, super quick and easy along the beautiful shores of Lake Michigan. You can go out to eat any place you want to go, but this to me is going out to eat. Potatoes cooked a little longer. Yeah, they're better. And the other pork chop. I was hungry. Tell you, Tony's seasoned salt here is spicy good. If you don't like spices, don't eat this. I don't think it's hot, but I think it's good. Red pepper and all that good stuff in there. All right, hope you enjoyed a little cooking. I hadn't done a cooking video in a while. And this is non-vegan stuff. This is meat eating day. Very, very good. Have a great, wonderful day. When you watch a YouTube video of somebody out traveling, hopefully it motivates you to go do the exact same thing for yourself, if you can. And if you can, don't come to the UP. It's terrible. You'll hate it. It's just terrible. It's the exact opposite, but there's enough people here already. Hope you enjoyed, and have a great and wonderful day as I eat this by Lake Michigan. In my opinion, that I try to keep humble, this really is the best way to go out to eat.